What is up, everybody? So today I bought a 2010 Acura TSX. It's my newest flip car. Typically I make $1,000 to $2,000 on these. I'm going for the $1,500 mark on this one, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. All right, so we are gonna do a review of all of these parts that I bought for this car. And before you guys ask, yes, you should have this figured into the price of your car. No, you're gonna spend a couple $100s and stuff to it to get it to that next level. So figure that into the price of the car before you buy it. So some of these are specific to the car, but what I do on every single car that I buy is I pretty much do a brake job. I buy them right around 100,000 miles. The rotors are rusted, sometimes they're warped, brake pads squeal. So I always account for doing painted rotors, pads, and then most of the time I paint the calipers. This stuff holds up great and looks really nice. So that's just a peace of mind for me, knowing I'm giving the next person a pretty good car. Now again, weird is I always think when you buy a new car, you deserve like a new set of windshield wipers, like some crispy lines when you use it for the first time. So brand new windshield wipers, 40 or 50 bucks. Now specific to this car is new fog lights. The current ones are cracked. So that's a cheap eBay item. And then I always do this. This is weird. You don't even take pictures at night, but I always do LED lights. I guess it's just for me being a kid. LED license plate lights, LED running lights, and LED fog lights, and kind of bring that car up to like the next tier of like feeling nice, right? And then again, this is specific to this car, but this is sandpaper, 6/8 1200 grit sandpaper, and then this is 2K clear. The headlights right now are really not good. They're really oxidized, and versus spending $300 on new housing, this is a permanent fix to oxidized headlights versus one of those like cheap advanced kits. And you can do this for 50 bucks. Now this is weird and specific to me that I am gonna 2-stage paint correct this car. I do it with every flip car that I do. A, because I like to do it, and B, it just looks bomb in pictures. So you don't have to paint correct every car. All I say is detail it front to back very well. Do the engine bay, do the wheel wells, do the door jambs, deep clean the inside. Because when the person sits in the car, they want it to feel nice and feel like it was taken care of, and then it will sell itself. So you know me, I'm gonna 2-stage it. So sit back and enjoy this video. I'll link everything I have in the description below. Let's knock it out. Now, in my opinion, this turned out absolutely amazing. I think the car just literally looks brand new. So the wheels and tires, those cleaned up really nice. The calipers look great. All new rotors and pads. Make the wheel wells look awesome. Now again, you don't need to do this, but it does have crystal clear headlights now, brand new fog lights, all LED lights, and a brand new grille. Again, that just kind of shows that you care about it, makes it look a little bit newer. I think it turned out great. And now the paint on this thing just absolutely pops. That two-stage paint correction looked awesome. Took out nearly all of the imperfections. It just looks great. Now it does still have some imperfections. There's a little road rash right here. I did order some touch-up paint from Honda for that, so we'll get that fixed before I do so. Now for the inside, it just looks insane. We got a really good car with really good leather, cleaned up very nicely. All the plastics look new, and the carpet looks great. So again, it's not that hard, but you need to put a lot of effort into it to make it look really, really nice. And she's ready to sell. Now, thank you guys for watching. This was a really fun 3 days just to flip one car. And again, it's cash in your pocket. And the craziest part about this entire market is before we even finished the car, I got an offer for $2,000 more than I paid for it. And what's crazy is we were gonna keep it. We wanted to keep miles off of our own cars. We wanted to put some miles on this, but we're gonna probably capitalize on the market, and you can too. So thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.